How to use YouTube search filters to get views. Hey everybody and welcome back. In order to do so in today's guide, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial. So let's just dive right in and get started. Start by opening up YouTube and you can perform your initial search in the YouTube app at the top, search and type it in. Now once you go ahead and type in your topic, the one that you're looking for, look out for the three dot in the top right corner or the filter button on the results page, and basically look out for the option called search filters. Now once you are here, this menu pops up here. You can choose your filters, your upload date, duration, view count, etc. So we have short by, you can tap on it and you can select upload date, view count, rating, etc. You can select anything, and once that is done, you can type, you can select your type or even your duration, etc. Your upload date, duration, let's say under 4 minutes, etc. And even your features and everything. Once you do so, you can tap on apply to see the updated results that you may be looking for. And that is it. You can just go over and use the search bar at the top to find the filters with your niche keywords to see what's currently popular, and you can analyze the popular content and identify content gaps and optimize your videos using this method right here. And that's it. Usually this is how you do it. You may follow up this process for that. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.